In this tutorial video, you will get to know how to create this.
Open your browser and search Bing. So once you search Bing on your browser, just click on Image Creator. After clicking on Image Creator, you will be redirected to this Bing image creating site where you will have to input your prompt to generate whatever it is you want. So this space is for creating, but if you don't have what you want to generate, you can just click on surprise me and it will bring up a prompt for you which you can use in generating. But we already have what we want to generate in this video. We want to generate a name written in a 3D colorful splash of orange and white with metallic text. Name colored written in diamond, include rubies and diamond with a crown on it. This is our prompt. So once you input your prompt, you click on create. Then you have to wait for some minutes while your image is being created by AI. So you can see from our outcome here. You can see from our outcome. You can see this. You can see this. You can see we got exactly what we've described. A 3D colorful splash of orange and white with metallic text. So you can see just like what has been inputted with a crown. You can see the crown here. So you can just simply click on these three dots, then click on download to download any of your preferred image. It will generate you 3 at once. So you can just click on any of it to download any of the preferred image. So we can still edit this text. It is editable, so we can edit it. So we can edit it. You can see how we've edited a 3D colorful splash of red and white with metallic text design written in diamond, include rubies and diamond with a crown on it. So we've edited that prompt and we are going to generate another one now. So you can see this, you can see just exactly what has been inputted into the prompt. So that is just how you can generate this AI image, this AI text, using how you can convert text to image using the smartphone. Please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe on the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.